So when we not talk about father bump, Jakes is no bump. Rosealee is a deadbeat mom. Everything when I try class Jakes, we don't need to put it on Rosealee. Jakes is no bump because from before Jakes start all money and him know about the picking them school report. And him teacher alone can talk to. So when you get bumping at that, the man wants some free time to go swing him cocky like a song. Swing song. Yeah, the man wants some free time, the man need a break. Girl, you have it rough in it, but you go back to sell nuts. You have it rough. This harder than when you used to sell nuts. You have to make sure that Akeem have a swag. Come here, look Peter and can't find it. Where Akeem swag there? I see it. I can't find it here. And I can't look forward when I put on. I cannot look forward to put on. You know, say Jake's dressed better than Aki. If you look again, then how much time you go look so? I not look no more because I can't look forward when I put on. You know, say Jake's look better than Aki. We don't want to talk about that part there. Rosealee, you know, say your baby father look better than Aki. You know, say your baby father can put himself better together, better than Aki. Eh? You have a flashlight? Lionel? Lend me now. Then Lionel, you really have a flashlight or you don't lend me? I wonder where the swag, where Akeem swag, I don't want him come to me now. I want it, I can't wait Akeem swag there. Nobody see it? Eh? And then you're not upset when him come in and can't find him swag, you know. I can't find it. I can't find Akeem swag. You know, so I feel say somebody come in and take it out. Yeah. And him alone dressed like him have asthma or sickle cell. Him alone. And I believe say him have asthma low-key, you know. No, as I hear, I believe say him have asthma. You can't find the man's swag. And the man are going to come in, come curse. And I don't want him come in and curse me or hit me. I say Jakes look good at Candy Crush. Then Candy she look good here. Come here, Candy look good, talk the truth. Who say Candy no look good? Candy look good at her party, me not tell a lie. Candy look good at her party. Me not tell a lie. Jakes look good at Candy party. Jakes look good at Candy party. Me say when I say Jakes, me say, Sister Cheryl, come here. So when I say Jakes, I have to look about 3 times. Yeah. Pina said, that boy you look good, me that take him. For sure, you see me? You have to look about 3 times. Because I can't believe that Jakes this. Oh, Jakes brides are pour juice in a cabin. Jakes, I feel like I want to go drink something. You see all you Jakes? Anyway, my bucket, I know me I kick off your face. One thing with me, I not travel people. Nobody have Marcia number can lend me. Anybody have Jake's mother number can lend me. Me go kick off Jake's face anyway I see him. Me say Jake's look good last night, him look good last night. Me can't get over the fact. And you come like Jake's go do facial. You see you lady Cheryl, sometimes I can't like all you, you know. Hey, you like show people too much. Me say Jake's look good, him look good, him look good, him look good. Jake's make me feel away. But put on my clothes to go Candy party and as I reach and say Jake's, me turn back, honestly. Because I'm supposed to look better than Jake's. But it just never worked for me last night. Jake's, you tracked me. Yeah. Jake's, you tracked me. Me not tell no like Lady Sherry, me know where Rosealee I feel. Me say last night when I put on my clothes to go Candy Crush and as I reach at the gate, you know, and I say Jake's, I say me hate Lady Sherry. No man, I'm ugly man. And then something make Rosealee go through, you know, cause you see you put me through it a while ago. Eh? It couldn't even come out. So the whole of my face part just hurt me. I feel like when Rosealee a ball laugh. Then Rosealee in a ball cute, man. You in a ball cute. Eh? You in a ball cute. I say when I see Jakes last night, man. I say a piece of bad mind rushing at me. A piece of bad mind turn up in me, you know. Like a man locked up in prison. Oh, you know, Candy Love? I say, I want to reel up and fight Lady Cheryl. I want Nana her. For true. I say, you can't just look on Jakes and know so the man smell good. No, it's true. Mr. Jakes have that ear. Jakes have a good ear. Like Taya. He might have a good ear. Me not lie, Jakes have a good ear like Taya. Me say Jakes stand up in Jakes stand up strong like old vehicle, Toyota. Jakes stand up strong, Jakes you stand up very firm. No man, Sister Winnie, Jakes look good, Keisha. Jakes look good. And you can know say Jakes smell good. Jakes look like he might do this shit long time. The boy now after 15, the boy already falling. I kid you not. Jakes now after 15 like puffer jacket. Jakes just falling. And that no man. And where you fly from? Move and where? You dirty corruption, blood finger. Me not ask you audit. And this a tear out Rosealee fat. This a tear out Rosealee fat. If I me like she, me go ball in a one dentist shop. If I me like Rosealee, me go lay down in a one dentist chair and ball, make him clean the teeth while tears are come. And scrub my tongue. Me not ask you. And Jakes no same look good, you know. Jakes just a walk like him cocky big. Which him cocky big for true, cause I eat vein alone. It have 4 on one side and 4 on the next side. Lord, me tell you, say this a beat Rosealee bad, you know. When she remember, you know. And then Akima film pum pum and you she can't even pat it. You can't even do pat a cat. You can't even do that. When Jakes and Cheryl drink last night and Cheryl feel high and that jet lag, you know Jakes get everything with ease. Cause she high and that jet lag. Come the man, cause when we woman tired, sometimes we're Annie, you know. Sometimes when we woman tired, we're Annie. Yeah, skinny out on the left, boy, skinny out on the right. You know, if you stab it out, yes. Me not ask you. All of that I get to you. You alone drink half a bottle of white rum and it move your kidney. And you alone drink half a bottle of white rum, the saddest thing. I tell you still say no one relationship and the woman dying alone. You're dying alone. Yeah. Me not ask you, I was slutty there Jamaica. Where is Akeem? I can't find Akeem. Nobody will see him. What's that you see him? I'm wanting Oripan coming and I can't take another crash program. We can't take a crash out tonight. You know? Me not ask you. So Rosealee, oh you not cause slutty. How you not cussing, Scotty? Why you coming for Cheryl and Akima, your man? Eh? I want thing with Jakes, you know, to make believe, you know. In a fairy tales, Jakes are walking a reality while you're walking a fantasy. Akeem always know the gardener hide before him come rub on our back them. Akeem always hide. Where him always leave you when you're down? Eh? And you not class him. Class him, man. Class him. Easy for Jakes. Jakes too happy. Jakes too happy for even look for you. Class Akeem. Me say you don't know, say you're two mate them there, Rosealee. Me don't know how you blessed, so. You're blessed with failure, you know. You're blessed with failure because everywhere you turn Maca joke you, you're slow leak. You're slow leak, me now ask you. Come on, go on your bed. You're slow leak. Everywhere you turn Maca joke you, mate on the left, mate on the right. This is when the girl them say man eat them. See the living evidence, yeah. Prime example. Living evidence. I never see a girl buy body for 1 year and couple of months yet and not get it, not even pat it. I never see this yet. All you get a grape or chew in your mouth because it's our eh, we call the big mouth something with crocodile for you there. And a rhino. A hippopotty. A hippo, yeah. Yeah, hippo. Rosealee, you have to open your mouth wide to catch Akeem grape. You can't cute up your mouth. You can't catch the grape, so. You can't do that. When everybody else can catch grapes, so. You have to depend. No man, Rosealee. Your skin stretch. Tell me the truth. The boy hold all the grape far from you. Can't know why you bite all them finger. So we need to them let it go. Akeem know how to do fishing. Not rotted, but not fisherman. No matter pronounce it in a cycle. And maybe give you some rotted lick in your back. Chow. Shebada, that's not nice. No, my baby. Snip it, but on the line me a tell. On the line me a tell. You're not afraid of them bush there. You don't have Jesus. Then you walk and afraid of everything. Rosealee needs some way you have. She needs for afraid of Cheryl. Because Cheryl not talk, Cheryl walk. And one thing Rosealee not she go talk. You see Cheryl not talk, Cheryl walk. Yeah. Cheryl walk up and down in a girl chin because Rosealee not have no neck. Cheryl walk up and down in a girl chin. Nah tell you. Me not tell a lie. Cheryl big up yourself but nobody cuss again. And one thing me no want you do again a cuss. And one thing me no want you do again is cuss. Oh, you know about cuss. Make me cuss for you. You just sit back and chillax. Remember you on vacation? Yeah, you know on aeration. You know on intimidation, out of frustration. That is why I am a one-man girl. I am a one-man woman. Yeah. Yeah, you know the pan that make we cuss fear, man. You know better open your mouth again and cuss. Backside. Me not even brighter here cussing in English. When you tell me sweet, say they're going to Hebrew, Latin and Greek, you know, all Aramaic. And I'm not going, you can't tell her about Laverne, you know, or Laverne. Remember she and her sister cuss them one and say, go suck out your mother, go suck out your mother, go suck out your, and them have one mother. You can't do it, man. One thing with Laverne, she not partial. Number one, half of the things them Laverne not even understand. Yeah. Half of the things them Laverne not understand. Cause go suck out Laverne. Go suck out the slowness out of your mother. Oh. Yeah, tell her that. Tell her, say, remember say a group sex you get from out a family album, you know. Yeah. Me don't know how you serve everybody in the family and a rat will something to you. Dildo with doodle. She get a D squared dildo with doodle. Yeah, surely nobody cuss her. We will. We will flop her and slap her. Yeah. You no bother open your mouth again, enjoy your vacation, go drink your jelly water, you and Jakes. Underneath the umbrella. Go up on the pool with the umbrella, man, and cock up your foot, stretch out, get your robe, make your skin them shine. Then you can imagine body aisle upon Jakes. Jesus have mercy. I see queens. Is she real? You can imagine that? Jakes will walk come to you with 2 jelly name and at the pool side and him well body aisle down. You must ask her who wear sequins in the sun hats. You're supposed to draw for your shades and the pan. A blink underneath it. See, that's your man. That's your man. Them something that hurt Rosealee. Then you can imagine how when you rub down Jake's heel back, you and him go the nail take go get a manny and a petty. Huh? And Jake's heel back rub down. Eh, can you imagine how when Jake's with Rosealee him could have walked on all asphalt? Him could have walked on asphalt barefoot, me not ask you. Yeah, then you can imagine now when you are him. Jake's not gonna know I remember how to walk barefoot. Me not like it for Jake's. Sometimes I bad mind him doing, but me like it. I call a spade a spade. Him done a win here, I can't bother compete with him. Yeah, the difference between Rosealee and I can't tell him when him a win. Yeah, me not go like a me a win. No, Jake's, oh God, man, Jake's look good, man. Jake's look good last time. I say I couldn't recognize my son. The church just coming like she backs off poor life off of Jake's. Poverty, where poverty? Yeah, go over all over to Rosealee. Where? Rosealee do the most life in the kitchen and she's not a chef. Shirley, I met the girl spiral. The girl work opposite. Rosealee, you can't do phonics. Shirley, I win. You a win. And the argument done. Me no say no over there she live, but me just say it. I must say put more my ears say she live, my love. But me just say all over. I mean by that them did put in away in and wow if you believe. Yeah, Jake's win. Jake's win without even trying. And you know say Jake's only trouble Rosealee when him not have nothing for do. Jake's only answer Rosealee when him just not have nothing for do. And at that part them I like. So you see all of the big bottom boys them, the boy them with the dead would we sit down and talk about Rosealee a real this and Rosealee a real that. Cheryl a real general. Cheryl a real Danamichi and Jake's a Dan. Me not ask for no. From Rosealee depend the apple no Rosealee can't win. A Jake just a win a cut and go through and uno boy we sit down out there so remember a lot of uno depend the app advertise on a cocky, you know, and nobody now buy uno pick uno invest in a uno and Jake's come from nowhere and get it. That's why uno over Rosealee a defend her. Me not ask uno and that's why uno over Rosealee a defend her. No for uno licky and look it. That's why me not pay uno no mind. You think of people who are criticize Rosealee and bring her down and uno we are defend her and monetize her for her. Me not ask uno. Me not ask uno number one uno hate Akeem for being in Rosalee's purse. Uno low-key hate Akeem for being in Rosalee's purse. Me not ask uno can inbox Rosealee and look her. Remember and them free like the highway. Uno can look her. Yeah, me not ask uno. So we don't talk about father bump. Jakes is no bump. Rosalee's a deadbeat mom. Everything when I try class Jakes we don't need to put it on Rosealee. Jakes is no bump because from before Jakes start all money and him know about the picking them school report. And him teacher alone can talk to. So when you get bumping at that, the man wants some free time to go swing him cocky like a song. Swing song. Yeah, the man wants some free time, the man need a break. The man need a break. And one thing with Jakes, him not collect and children them not get it. Rosealee will take her money and mind Akeem and her children them want it. Make me tell you that Rosealee beg for her kids. Jakes will go in her pocket and mind him pitney them. Me not ask you. Of course Jakes are the mother. Jakes are double up. Jakes are both mom and dad. So when una sit down and attack, Rosealee not like you the truth. That's why Akeem could have tell Slutty say Jakes is a good father. Pick sense out of nonsense. Why your man when you are mine when I want you, Rosealee, can give your baby father credit, which is your ex, which is Cheryl, man. When not pick sense out of nonsense, so when I hear someone sing and attack, when just make content off of the girl. When just make content off of the girl. That's why when my boss it up, I don't care. I don't care. Mr. Jakes look good last night at Candy Crush. 2 mate link up. 2 mate link up. Me now ask you. Me say when Akeem say Jakes, Akeem supposed to want to take out some of the puff out of the jacket. I pay puffer things they wear now. When Akeem dressed, me remember the cartoon named Powerpuff Girls. Anytime I see Akeem put on him clothes, me remember Powerpuff Girls. Me not tell no like everything just puffy. Everything from him shoes go right up to him cap. From him shoes go up to him hat. Me now ask you, who know the Cravenair box? Long time Cravenair box with a black puss on it. Me see every time I see the boy man, worse him push up him face in the camera. Me just remember that Cravenair, there was one woman in my yard when Miss June used to smoke. No, it's true. Now ask you, who know the Cravenair box with a black post? Can't bother talk to someone sometimes. When I for going, man. Someone for going. I am communicating. Oh, no, it no. Alright, me I talk to him. Yeah. For real. When you get up last night and you're dancing, you never dance off Shirley, you dance off Slutty. Because you know Slutty reached Jamaica. And that's why I keep not come on you last night when you're ball. Cry in my river. Cry in my river. You bust the bank of your eyes. Eh? You bust the bank of your eyes. You don't even know what you do. You're full of mixed emotion. You start crying, then you start dancing. Then you are alone in the house to enjoy Candy Crush. Me not like your behavior, you know. Me not like your behavior. Yeah, we puff jacket in Jamaica, you know, so the boy have sickle cell. Yeah, but she have a cup foot pan shoulder, foot pan cupboard, and instead of body for jerk, her shoulder she have fling. You never need for cock up for fling your shoulder, my love. I say when you see Rosealee favor one room, chuck up here. You don't know what she shape say, you know. Rosealee favor one room with one heap of furniture. Rosealee just look chuck up. I don't know where you favor in a real life. She will look good from back way, side way, front way, everywhere. Rosealee, you can never get back Jakes. You done vision. When you take off your clothes, man, vision go blur. You done vision for sure. So you're so Shirley easy on the eyes. Try that. You see what Cheryl easy on the eyes? Jakes can just look on Cheryl, so. Remember I pay a tear out here, you know? Cause you want full coverage out of vision. And that's why Akeem don't look on you too much, you know. Then why Akeem skin up him face over there when you try to feed him or talk to him. One of them really. Why him comes up? And anytime Akeem want to tell you say you break bad, you know, Akeem put on a smile with a frown. I don't know how him do it, but on the flexible in your face, on the face, you know. You know, so on the face, because on the flexible in your face, I don't know Akeem put on a smile with a frown. I can't do it. Akeem could have played the Joker part 6. No, I'm not disrespecting him, you know. Everything means so many things to me I disrespect. Every single thing me can't talk nothing, you know. I understand me I disrespect. But it's when me sees, I saw Bondoti Babylon a bear. No for true. You see like how you talk so Rosealee? Yeah! Me say when Akeem want frown him smile. I don't know how to do it. I don't know Akeem would rap differently, you know. And I can't do it. I try to do it, Tanisha. I can't do it. But you know, And your face can't turn the line up. I don't know him did that. I don't know. When me do it, my favorite please post. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. Them very talented in them face part. I can't do it. Somebody help me do it now, please. I can't do it. Every time I do it, I fail. And but that me see a message again. You know me I come off here, man, because me not like when me can't do the things them, you know. Me I come off. No, Nicoline, sorry. But me I come off. Because me can't, me not like, oh you mean not yet? Me not like when me can't fulfill my task. Because Akeem have a piece of face to tell a story of how Rosealee smell. If that my face hurt me. Remember me not born cute, so I can't do too much of that. I don't want to stuck in another position. I have to get out, I stuck in another position. I'm going to try to get back one out. My face feel like it has stretched out. Me for practice it, I'm not doing it. You know what, happy kind of people, I love you guys. Stay blessed, keep sweet, live, laugh and love. And put God before everything and everyone. I can't take the mix up. Then King before I go away. King, you say a lie me I tell say it's not you I take the oath. King, you said there is no naked video out there with your pornographic video out there with you. King, remember pan snap, you show your body pan snap. I just that more want to tell him. I love the people later.